Hello. So it's been a couple of days since I did the other video in regards to how to set up, how to create an Alexa flash briefing using the platform Anchor FM, and how to actually, you take that RSS feed and take it into an Alexa developer console, which you see right here in front of you now, and how to create a flash briefing from that. So, and actually, I think it was yesterday. It didn't take long, and maybe it was even the day that I originally did it. It doesn't take too long if it's, if it's successful once the Alexa team passes muster, so to speak, with them. It doesn't take long for it to become live.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
And Alexa's talking now. Okay. Anyway, so you can see in my Alexa console, the one that I created through the tutorial was Tasha Penwell WSCC. Yes. And you can see it has a status now of being live. There's actions you can choose. So I'm not going to mess with the actions right now because it's fine as is. And well, now all we need to do, Alexa, no, that's not what I want. Amazon.
Gas is not available on this device.
Alexa, stop. Amazon Alexa Skill Store, Alexa Skills. And I'm going to look for Tasha Penwell WSCC. Okay, and there it is. It's in the skill store. And let's go ahead and open that up. So my target audience, as I mentioned in the other video, this is aimed at teachers who are wanting another way to communicate with their students, whether it be morning reminders, evening reminders, whatever it is that you need to do. Just it's another mechanism to communicate with the student that's separate from email. And for some students, this might be preferable. If they get bogged down by emails or they're not very good at checking emails and they just like to be able to say, let me see if this works. Actually, before I do that, I want to go ahead and enable it because I haven't enabled the skill yet. So all you have to do, once you're in your accounts, you hit enable and it's enabled. And now, let's see. I'm going to try it. Alexa, play me my flash briefings.
Tasha, you have a few unheard stories. In Hawking College Computer Science News.
Good morning. So Alexa, skip. So you can skip some. This is a testing. Alexa, skip. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've had an update. Alexa, skip. So still playing the Hawking College Computer Science News. Hello everybody and welcome to the Hawking College Computer Science News podcast. Alexa, skip. Hello everybody and welcome to the Hawking College Computer
Alexa,
Science
skip. News. In today's news from Tasha Penwell WSCC.
There it is. Good morning. So this is my tutorial on how to create your own Alexa skill, or actually specifically an Alexa flash briefing, so they can share with your students, or your customers, whoever your target audience is. Alexa flash briefings are a great way to communicate to your target audience, whoever that may be. You can share the fact that you have the Alexa skill, and they can call upon that skill as a flash briefing every morning whenever they're getting ready for work or school. It's completely auditory, so there's nothing they actually have to look at. They can just, or press buttons. If they have an Alexa enabled device, they can just say, Alexa, play me my flash briefings, and Alexa will go through the queue of playing all of the flash briefings that that person has subscribed to. Alexa, stop. Okay, so you get the idea. You saw me do the recording in the other video, so I'm not going to make you guys listen to the whole thing. But that's the idea of an Alexa flash briefing. So you heard me go through some skips the first few times because I was wanting to bypass that and get to this particular skill or this particular flash briefing, and that's something that your students or whoever your target audience can do as well. So that's pretty much the end of it on this tutorial on how to create an Alexa flash briefing It's a great tool to communicate. And let's see. And as a quick reminder, if you are an educator or a student, you have access. You are able to sign up. You're able to join AWS Educate, and this can be an awesome platform for you to just to learn more about Alexa. If you're over 18, you'll get access to. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Hold on, let me get what I want. If you're over 18, you are able to complete the Alexa digital badge. If you're a teacher, you're able to complete the Alexa digital badge if you want to learn more about it for your own professional development or see other ways that you can incorporate Alexa skills and Alexa technology in your classroom. And it's a badge right here. It's a lot of fun. And if you're teaching JavaScript in any of your classes, there's some concepts of that that's in Alexa skills that's beyond the flash briefing. But it's a lot of fun. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.